Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this REDARC Tow-Pro Liberty proportional brake controller with universal wiring harness. Now this brake controller is going to require minimal dash space in your vehicle, and it's very simple to install and operate. It has a factory look and feel, looking like it always belonged in your dash. This brake controller activates your trailer brakes in proportion to your vehicle's braking action. It will automatically adjust the trailer's braking based on the deceleration of your tow vehicle. And it activates immediately, so there's no pausing like with time delay brake controllers. This includes the main unit that you see here, the control knob that we've already been looking at together, and a 3-foot long remote head cable, and a universal wiring harness, and the owner's manual for the brake controller, and a little owner's manual and installation guide for the universal wiring harness. Now, this control knob is going to mount on your dash or other easily accessible area, and it will allow for quick, easy adjustment of the braking power with just the turn of this dial. It also provides manual override by just pressing the knob, as you see me doing here, to activate. And it's going to offer simple diagnostics with a bright LED colored light. And so when this is plugged in, it will light up. And if you have a lighter trailer, you can dial down to the lower braking power. So I originally had this on 0, but you can dial it down to like a 1 or 2, a lower brake power rating. And when you hit 0, where I had it originally, that means no braking power. And if you have a heavier trailer, you might want to increase the braking power. And again, to operate it manually, you would just push in the knob like this. Now the main unit that we see right here is going to install out of sight. That's one of the strengths of this brake controller is, again, you're not going to have a bigger brake controller underneath your dash that could possibly bang your knee. There's not going to be any interference with airbags or other vehicle accessories. And of course, no hard-to-reach override lever or impossible-to-read screen for that matter. This does include a 3-axis accelerometer that measures deceleration in all directions for precise braking and smooth, uniform stopping action. And because of that, it can be mounted at any angle, and it will still accurately sense the deceleration of your vehicle. It does use active calibration technology, which means it continuously monitors your direction of travel, and it will adjust your brake response accordingly. The included universal wiring harness is going to let you connect to a vehicle without a factory tow package, and this is just going to install in the main unit like this. A plug-in vehicle-specific brake controller is sold separately, and that can be used to reduce the installation time, so you can find those, if available, for your vehicle on our website. And if a custom adapter is not available for your vehicle, a 30 amp circuit breaker, which again is sold separately but can be found on our website, may be required for installation. Also, check out etrailer.com's exclusive 7 and 4-way brake control installation kit. You can find that on our website using item number ETBC7 if you don't already have a 7-way plug on the back of your vehicle. Now this is going to meet or exceed the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 201 regulation for sustainability and safety. And this brake controller is for trailers with up to 2 axles or 4 brake assemblies. And it's designed for use with electric or electric over hydraulic trailer brakes. And it works with 12-volt vehicle electrical systems. And the output voltage range is 9 volt to 16 volt. And the output current rating 18 amps continuous. And a maximum charging voltage is 12 volts DC. Now the main unit itself, just to give you some dimensions on that, the length from one end to the other end is going to be sitting right at 4 1/8 inches, and the width, including these mounting flanges, we're sitting at about 3 1/4 inches. And then the overall height is going to be sitting right at about 1 1/8 inches tall. And the way that this remote head cable is going to plug in, you're going to plug in the angled end here to the back of the main unit itself. And then you will plug in the other straight end to the back of our control knob, just like that. Now, this includes, like I said, everything that you see here before me on my table. And that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.